Hello, everyone. Good day to you all. My name is Phillips Akonde. Today we are going to be creating OU in a Windows server. So OU simply means organizational unit in a Windows Server Active Directory. Is a container object used to organize users, computers, and groups. OUs enable administrators to delete and control and apply group policies, settings to specific subnets of users or resources. They are essential, indeed essential for structuring network resources based on computer hierarchy, location, or departments. So today I will be showing us how we can do this. Yeah, so let's go. First and foremost, you click on Tools. I click on Tools. I click on Active Directory, Users and Computer. So wait for it to come up. So you can see my domain name is a Zycorp. So I right click on it and then I come to new. All right, I said organizational unit. So I'm meant to create employees is created already. So you can see it here. Next one is IT. Okay, HR. I'm creating HR. Right click on my domain name. All right, national unit, HR, good, making 3. All right, next one is management research stakeholder. Management, and right click, new, now unit, management departments. All right, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 research stakeholders. I want to create research then stakeholders, OU stakeholders. I'm getting it right. Stakeholders, accounting, auditors. All right, stakeholders. Then how two more. Accounting, auditors, meant to create auditors, OU, auditors. All right, so we are good with this, auditors. So that is how to create organizational units. I will also be creating users. And so I will also be creating users. So follow me. So you can see the icon folder is different from the one that follows it, the one that came. All right, so we created 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 organizational units. I will also be creating users. So in here, I'm going to create my users. So I have created some of the users before. I have Gather, Pimpin, Mary. All right. Yeah. Okay. I need to create Fredo. All right, and some other ones. So let me quickly go to. All right, these are the ones I've created before. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to create Frodo. I'm going to create Frodo, Sam. Let's go to create. All right, I click on new, the user. I'm going to do Frodo. Am I right with the spelling? Okay, yeah, Frodo. Sorry, creating Frodo. Yeah, Frodo. Click on next, and then I give it password. Now check this. All right, that is how to create users. So I'm going to speed up the process of creating these users. So I will come back. Okay, I'll come back when it is done. All right, yeah, we are done with creating our users. So you can see them. We are here. We have them here. We have them here. We have them here. All right. And then have them here. So now we want to assign them to the OUs. All right. Yeah, the OUs are just like containers, and so we want to, let me say assign them to each OUs. All right, since we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yes, 8 OUs. All right, the first one is assign the following users to the following OUs. Fredo to HRO. I think I've done that, but let me quickly check. Fredo to HRO. Yes, we have Fredo to the HRO. So the second one is Sam and Mary to research. Let's do that. Sam and Mary to research. Where is Sam? Sam and Mary to research. Let's go there. Sam. So Sam and Mary. So I control select. All right. This is what I did. I click Sam and then control or command. If you are using Mac, is command. So Mary. So what did I do? I say move to research. So I'm meant to put them in research. All right, let's confirm if they are actually in research. So you can see they are in research. All right, so that has been done. So let's see those we are still moving. All right, they now said Gimli to IT. Gimli, you are the only one that I'm deploying to IT. All right, let's do this. You Gimli. Yeah, you are going to IT. I'll move Gimli to IT department. Let's quickly confirm if Gimli is here. Okay, Gimli is here already. All right, let's do the next one. And next assignment is Gandalf, Aragon, and Legolas to stakeholder. Gandalf, Aragon, and Legolas. All right, let's do that. Gandalf, where are you, Gandalf? Gandalf, Aragon, and Legolas. Is it not? Let me confirm. Gandalf, Aragon, and Legolas to stakeholders. All right, this guy will deploy you to stakeholders. And move you guys. Where is stakeholders? Here is stakeholders. All right, let's confirm if they are really stakeholders. So you can see them. They are now in stakeholders. All right. Our next task is all right. I have all assigned them. Assign the following NTFS user permissions. All right. Fredo, we are meant to give Fredo full control to the HR folder. All right. So what I do is Fredo. All right. Click here. I will say properties. All right. Security. All right. I'll click edit. I'll click add. All right. Fredo. All right. Already we have, I think it's Frodo. Let me change the, I'm sorry, I think it's Frodo. All right. At this point, I've been able to I've been able to streamline user and group management using Active Directory. I'll be able to create OUs. I'll also be able to create users. I created a file. I created subfolders, and I also assign users, all right, to those folders, and also assign NTFS user permissions to them. All right, thank you and God bless you.